Hi guys, so in today's video I really wanted to talk about a brand new collaboration with Sleek Makeup by Miss Fame. This here is what the packaging looks like, and before we get into this I kind of wanted to talk about it a little bit because I checked out Sleek Makeup's Instagram and they haven't announced that this has launched already. They said that they would be announcing it within the next week, and it's already been a week with nothing. Like, I don't exactly know when it's supposed to launch. I also watched Miss Fame announce this, what do you call it, collaboration? And watching her video, I'm not sure if I should refer to her or him. I'm gonna say her because by the name is like Miss Fame. So she did a video and I feel like not only was I completely puzzled, and in the video she was just doing like a full face using like Sleek Makeup, and she didn't really showcase what products were in the collection. So I wanted to do a video showing you guys exactly what's going to be in the collection. Again, I don't know the launch date of this, but I did a little Google search and I seen that this is actually already for sale on ULTA. And on ULTA it is $20 for the entire collection. So let me show you what's in it. The box looks exactly like this. This is what you guys will get if you guys do decide to purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it from the packaging just so I can show you guys. Okay, so in here you will be getting 2 High Shine liquid lipsticks, and then this is an eyeshadow right here. This is a black pencil liner, and I swatched this and it swatches so freaking matte and black, and it's just so creamy, and I hope that it just stays in place. So I'm going to be testing that out today. Also, it comes with this little highlight palette. From what I've seen on my little Google search, you can purchase Sleek Makeup on the ULTA website. This collection is only available online. I'm not sure if it's going to be in stores later on. Also, Sleek Makeup is carried by Walgreens, and that's as far as I got. I don't have any pricing on any of this because Sleek Makeup has not released that information if they are sold individually, but the collection itself is $20, so I think that's a good steal. But you know, I haven't tried anything aside from their eyeshadow, so I'm curious to see if this highlighting palette is actually gonna shine bright like a diamond. Ooh, I really like this. Look how nice this looks here. So I really like the packaging of this highlighting palette. It doesn't feel cheap whatsoever. This palette is called Disordered Dreams. Okay, so just opening this up, it does have quite a bit of different highlighters. There's some creamy, actually these 3 here, 1, 2, 3, these are very creamy, and then you have your powder highlighters. So I'm curious to test these out. I definitely will not be trying the cream ones because I already have a bunch of face powder on my face, so yeah. It does have a good size mirror right over here. I still need to peel off the plastic, so as you can see, it's a really nice palette. Then we also have the Sleek Intense Water Liner. This one is in the color Zodiac Black. When I tell you guys that this just glides on, look how black and just creamy that looks. If there's an eyeliner that I really love, it's the Urban Decay 24/7 liner. I think that's what it's called. I love that eyeliner so much. It just glides on. It looks like a pitch black and it lasts all day. So I'm really curious to see if this is actually long lasting because it's so creamy. Super excited to try this. The third item in this collection is this Eye Art Precision Liquid Eye Color. I feel like a lot of brands are coming out with liquid eyeshadows, so I'm really tempted to try this one like with this look today because it has like some type of like shimmer. The applicator, let me show you guys. The applicator looks like this here. I feel like you can also use it as an eyeliner for like graphic eyeliners or whatever. So that's what the eyeshadow looks like. I'm going to be using this today. We also have this Lip Shot Gloss Impact, and this is a really bright pink color, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this today. Maybe not, we'll see. This pink gloss is called Do What I Want. The next gloss that we have here is called Dress to Kill, and then those are the 2 colors side by side. So if you want to see me put this collection to the test, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. Don't I don't wanna be.
I'm going to start off by using the Precision Liquid Eye Color. This doesn't really have a name on it, so I'm assuming that there's like only one of these. I don't know. I thought it was really cool that they sent me over this mirror for my vanity and it says Miss Tracey on here. It's super cute. I'm gonna cut the crease with this actually. Ooh, wow. That's an electric blue. I feel like I should have done a deeper color at the crease now. So I'm only gonna take it halfway through and then we're gonna deepen out this outer edge. I don't want to mention any other products in this video, so I'm going to do this off camera only because I don't want to confuse you guys anymore and I want to show you guys what's actually in the collection. Alright guys, so I just applied some black eyeshadow to the outer corners and kind of like smoked it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the eyeliner from this collection here. I just love how this glides on effortlessly. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and grab the same liquid shadow and I'm going to apply it to this lower line here. I know it looks really messy, but I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to grab this little Luxie 141 mini round brush that I received from my BOXYCHARM. And I'm just going to blend that out just like that. So as you blend this, it does start to dry down faster. If you kind of let it sit on your eyes, kind of like I did with the lid, it does take a little bit longer to dry. What I do like about this eyeshadow is that it's not creasing in my lid, so I like it. Alright, and now if it looks a little bit different, it's because I diffused this outer edge with some black eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the highlighting palette, and for this next step I'm going to grab the Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush. This is also from my BOXYCHARM that I received. So I think that these Luxie brushes came about a month or two ago, so don't expect that with the March BOXYCHARM. I'm going to be dipping into this cream highlighter and it has like a little bit of blue purple reflex, and since I'm wearing blue eyeshadow I'm going to use this. Hopefully it works. I'm just going to pack it in this little area. Alright, so since that is a creamy formula, I feel like it's not as bright as I would like it to be because I already have a bunch of powder, I got foundation, and I got all of that going on. I'm going to go into this highlighter right here. This is a powder highlighter. I love this highlighter. It looks like it has like lilac reflex in it. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara and some lashes and I'll be right back. Taking the same highlighter palette, I'm going to go into this gold right here because I've already tried this one and it's too pink for me, I feel like. Let's just try this out. Okay, I see you. I'm going to kind of bring this to the brow bone. Just like that. I'm like trying to contour over this fucking pimple and it just emphasizes it even more. Anyway, let's go ahead and highlight the nose. So taking that same gold highlighter, I'm going to be applying it to the tip of the nose right here. I'm actually going to go ahead and just spritz my face a little bit. And there you go, there's that highlight. I like to apply it to the like little sides of my nose right here, just so that when it gets those angles, to the Cupid's bow. I'm just gonna go with a super pink one. Actually, let me try using both. So I'm gonna do this on the outer edges. This gloss is actually really pigmented. So I'm just applying it to the center before I try to blend this out. Okay guys, so I'm back and this is the final look. I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video and I hope that you got clarity as to what the collection is. I still don't know if this collection is going to be sold individually, like the pieces that are in the collection. Out of the entire collection, I can point out what my favorite products are. Well, actually, now I'm like picking up what I like and I feel like I liked everything. I just don't feel like I would personally reach for a hot pink gloss. I do like this color right here. This one is called Dress to Kill and I can see myself using this on a night out. I do love wearing glosses. I don't know why, I'm just getting super into glosses again. This blue liquid eyeshadow is so beautiful. I love that it didn't crease on my lids, and I actually like the applicator of this because you guys know that I like to do a lot of graphic liners. I can see myself doing graphic liner with this, and also all over the lid. It's very beautiful. And I'm telling you guys, this pencil eyeliner works so good on the waterline. I still haven't used it all day, so I don't know what the wear time is for this. I'm going to continue playing with this and just stay updated with me on my Instagram. I'll share with you guys my overall thoughts on all these products. So follow me and check out my stories because that's where I update you guys the most. Now this highlighting palette, I'm not too sure how I feel about the cream highlighters. I don't know, I'm gonna keep playing with this as well. So stay updated with me like I mentioned to you guys. Aside from that, as far as the powder highlighters, I love them. You can obviously see that they just give you a really nice glow and I can see myself using this on a daily basis. It's not like too much, but at the same time it gives you that, I don't know, just look at it. So pretty. It's so pretty. This entire collection, I've seen it on the ULTA website for $20, so I think that this is such a steal. If it's somebody's birthday, you can definitely gift them this, and I feel like they'll love it, especially if they love pops of color. With spring and summer coming up, well, it's barely getting into spring, but summer's coming after, and all the pops of color are just so fun to play with. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Also, let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Will you be picking this collection up? If you have a little bit of time, don't forget to check out my latest videos. I'm gonna go ahead and link them right over here. The little circle with my picture in it subscribes you to my channel in case you haven't done so already, so just go ahead and click it. Turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!